All right, so welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna get ready to go out to Reno-Fernley Raceway for this event. But before we get into all that, I wanted to say thank you to all the people that have liked and subscribed and supported me over the last 2 months doing this YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. So I just wanted to say thank you, and thank you to all the people who have helped me directly with going to all these events, you know, come along, hanging out, letting me borrow their car trailer and stuff like that. I just wanted to say thank you to all of them. Thank you to my wife who, you know, helps me by taking care of the kid and supporting me and doing all those things while I'm out on track, and you know, those types of things, or while I'm away. I really appreciate it. So you can't go anywhere without, you know, people supporting you. So it's good to have a good support system. So I wanted to say thank you to all of you guys. So no more of the gushy stuff. So all right, let's get into what I need to do. So for right now, I'm just gonna put some vinyl on there, and then basically this thing's good to go. In the other videos you probably saw that the other side already has vinyl on it, so we're good to go there. So other than that, there's really nothing to do to the car other than load up all the tires and tools and all that stuff that we need for the event. So for today's agenda, it's Friday, the day before the event. We're gonna shoot out, set up the courses, and then me and my buddy are gonna do some testing on the courses. So it'll be fun. It'll just be the two of us. So I guess that's the perks of helping run an event. You get a little more seat time. So all right, so let's get working on that. All right, so we finished up quarter panel, got it wrapped. It's looking pretty good. We did a little window visor wrap right there. We're probably gonna put a banner across there, but we're gonna go get it loaded up on the car trailer real quick. So all right, so finally made it out here to Reno-Fernley Raceway. I got Isaiah with me here, and so let's check out his Miata real quick. It's pretty sick. We'll come back to this. Let's go drive.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Alright, so I kind of want to give some context to what's going on. So those were my first 2 runs. Me and Isaiah went out and set up the course, and now we were kind of just testing it and seeing how it was. We set it up and we didn't really make too many changes afterwards, but I just want to explain what exactly is going on in the video. So basically, in the video, this is the first outer zone. So what an outer zone is you have to get the rear of the car into the outer zone, and the judges wanted us to be drifting before or at this cone. So you need to throw the car in, get the rear of the car in there, in this zone for as long as you can, and then transition, and then get the rear of the car into this zone for the duration, basically, of this line right here. Then we had to shoot across the track, transition here in the middle, get the rear of the car out to this touch and go. So what a touch and go is exactly what it sounds. You touch and then you go. Where this is an outer zone and you have to stay in it as long as you possibly can until it's over. This one is just get there and then get out. So you put the rear of the car here, and then you'd shoot to this inside clipping point here, putting the nose of the car or the front of the car on that zone as close as you possibly can. And then you're still pushing the car out to this outer zone right here. It's a touch and go. So you touch here, and then you're basically going to this zone, and then you'd hold this zone as long as you could with the rear of the car. So this is another outside zone. Then to another outside zone right here. So you'd basically hold the rear of the car throughout this outer zone right here the best you could. So I thought this course flowed really well for a comp style course layout. I hope that kind of explains what competition drifting kind of is going for, and basically all drifting, there's inner and outer zones that you're trying to get to. It's just the preferred race line, I guess, for drifting. So, all right. All right, morning everybody. So yesterday we went out to the track, we set up the comp course, tested it out, did a few runs, ran through a set of tires. I think this course is going to be a lot of fun. So we're over here at Walmart right now, trying to get some supplies for the event. So I'll check back in with you guys once we get back to the track. All right, so we made it back to Fernley. I had to do some course maintenance, but yeah, we should be ready to do registration now and stuff. So, all right, so we're gonna go out and do our first run. So, just waiting for it to warm up a little bit, and then Isaiah's coming with his helmet. So maybe we'll just go pick him up. Yesterday, and I still have I'm right here, and I have the jitters still. I'm I was just doing this yesterday, no problem.
I love this layout. The last event we did backwards.
Yeah. So, this is the first run for me on Saturday morning. I just want to show a couple of the first runs that I do in the first part of the day, and how they're usually not the best. Right here, I was trying way too hard, threw it in way too fast. and was gonna overshoot that turn, so I just bailed on it, and instead of going off into the dirt. So it kind of happened there. So going in for the second run of the day. See if I can do a little bit better on this one. Throw it in, decent amount of angle, get transitioned over, kind of holding the outside line, get out to that touch and go I talked about earlier, right on that inside clip, out to the other touch and go, and then another outside zone, and then way too far inside on this one. Didn't get to the outside zone, but not a half bad run. So at this point it wasn't really clear if that was going to be an inside or an outside zone, so I just did what I felt was right. So.
I hear the back one going right.
Alright, let's see if this runs any better than the last one. Throw it in. Yeah, quite a bit of angle right there. Pretty far inside on this one. Nowhere near that touch and go, and looped it out. I think I used too much left foot brake, but it was, I was offline the whole way through, so that could have been the reason why.
Air press it and then we're driving and it starts to pick up like as we're in there.
So throw it in, decent amount of angle, get farther outside, a little bit better, get out to that touch and go right there, back to the inside, right on line, get the other touch and go, get to this outside zone, and another outside zone. Much better run. Show off a little bit right there, wasting tires. Not the smartest move, and I should have been cooling my tires down a little bit better. Normally I would drive straight down to a junction down there and then turn around and help cool the tires off. You can kind of hear how sticky they kind of are right now, just picking up dirt and stuff and slinging off the tire onto the car. But and then I was wasting a bunch of tire there. Nice little chuck in. Oh, pretty far on that outside line, kind of where you want to be. Pretty close to the outside line. Get on that clip right there. So far so good. And looped it. I'm gonna blame that one on just kind of overheating the tires. And I can't even remember what my tire pressure was right there. But the video is running pretty long with all the extra stuff in the beginning. So I'm probably going to have this one be the last run on this video. And then what I'll do is I'll do a part 2 and see if I can scrounge up some comp footage and all that, because I did a terrible job filming. I didn't film at all. So, but I have some bits and pieces of it. We'll see if I can put something together. Still waiting on some drone footage. So as soon as I get that, maybe there's something in there I can salvage. But until then, I might throw in another clip right here at the end. I'll say thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in part 2.